Welcome to our full review of the 2025 Volvo XC90, a Scandinavian SUV that continues to redefine safety, luxury, and sustainability in the premium SUV segment. If you're considering the XC90 or just curious about what makes this flagship SUV stand out in 2025, you're in the right place. We'll explore its design, performance, tech features, interior space, safety innovations, and pricing, everything you need to know. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Volvo XC90 stays true to its elegant and minimalist design language. From the front, the signature Thor's hammer LED headlights give it a modern and unmistakably Volvo look. The grille has been updated subtly with chrome accents and a sleeker finish. Depending on your trim, you can choose between 19 to 22-inch alloy wheels, and all versions now come with full LED lighting, including the signature vertical rear taillights. It's understated yet commanding, a design that doesn't scream for attention but earns it through refinement. Under the hood, Volvo offers three main powertrains for the XC90. First, there's the B5 mild hybrid, a 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt battery system, producing around 247 horsepower. Next is the B6, which uses the same engine but adds a supercharger, bumping power up to 295 horsepower. And finally, the flagship T8 Recharger plug-in hybrid that combines the turbo and supercharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a total of 455 horsepower and up to 32 miles of pure electric range. All models come with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Performance-wise, the XC90 strikes a fine balance between comfort and control. It's not meant to be a sports SUV, but the ride is smooth, the steering is precise, and road noise is minimal. For those who prioritize fuel economy and sustainability, the T8 Recharge is a clear winner, offering impressive efficiency without sacrificing performance. Moving inside, the XC90 continues to set the standard for luxury. The cabin is a masterclass in Scandinavian design, clean lines, real wood trim, brushed aluminium, and soft nappa leather available across the upper trims. The dashboard is dominated by a 9-inch portrait-style touchscreen infotainment system that now runs on Google's Android Automotive OS, giving you native Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store integration. The system is smooth, responsive, and supports over-the-air updates. There's also a 12.3-inch digital driver display that's fully customizable and shows navigation, speed, safety alerts, and more. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the available Bowers Wilkins premium sound system is one of the best in the Class A 19 speakers with concert hall quality audio. In terms of practicality, the XC90 remains a true three-row SUV. You can seat up to 7 passengers, and even adults will find decent space in the third row, something many competitors can't say. Behind the third row, you get 15.8 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to over 85 cubic feet with all rear seats folded flat. Safety is where Volvo continues to lead the way. Standard across all trims are features like Pilot Assist, Volvo's semi-autonomous driving system, along with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera. The XC90 also includes run-off-road mitigation, oncoming lane mitigation, and automatic emergency braking. It's not just about protecting you in an accident, it's about helping you avoid one in the first place. Now let's talk about trims and pricing. The 2025 Volvo XC90 comes in three main trims: Core, Plus, and Ultimate. Here's a breakdown. XC90 Core with the B5 engine starts around $58,000. XC90 Plus with the B6 engine starts around $62,000. XC90 Ultimate with the B6 engine starts at $70,000. The T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid starts around $72,000 for Core, going up to nearly $80,000 for the fully loaded Ultimate version. Add-ons like air suspension, advanced packages, and luxury upgrades can push the price north of $85,000, especially for the T8 model. So, is the 2025 Volvo XC90 worth it? If you're looking for a safe, stylish, and smart luxury SUV with real third-row usability and eco-conscious engineering, it's hard to beat. It may not have the flashiness of some German rivals, but it offers an experience that feels more thoughtful, more personal, and perhaps more human. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Volvo XC90. Let us know in the comments what you think, and if you'd pick the XC90 over competitors like the Audi Q7, BMW X5, or Mercedes GLE. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest car reviews.